Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your account on Qwenlm AI. It's a very simple and easy process, and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. If the Qwenlm app is available in your region, you can even access its mobile app. For now, just navigate to Qwenlm website. In the search results, head over to the chat link of chat.qwenlm AI. Once you're in the website, now in order to sign in, here you can see the login option at the top right corner. Tap on it. In order to log in, you must have already created your account before. So you can use the same credentials which you used to create your account before. Here you can provide your email address and your password of your account. Or if you created your account with the Gmail or GitHub, you can select accordingly. I created my account with the Google account, so I'll tap on this. I'll select my Google account that I used before, and there you go. That's how you can easily log into your account on Qwenlm AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.